In this video, we are going to quickly review how to order for the first time from Fit Kitchen Direct. So we start on the Fit Kitchen Direct homepage here. I click on Order Meals, and that will take me over to the Fit Kitchen Direct ordering page, which is hosted by sendbottles.com/FitKitchenDirect. We see that this is a secure site. From here, we pick our plan, Whole30, Vegan, Omnivore, or Combo. Let's pick the Whole30 plan. The site then asks for my name. I can just put in my name here. You see Andy Bleckman, my phone number. Make sure that this is a mobile phone number, and then we put in our email. You can also check your referral code. Your referral code is if a friend referred you, you put that in here, which will give you a discount. And then you can click any of your dietary preferences. So in this case, let's click no eggs. Then I hit create account. For the first time that I log in, I'm texted a verification code. That's why it's important you put in your mobile phone number. My code is 16882, so I put that in here. I hit verify, and now I'm brought to the Fit Kitchen menu. As you note, we need to have a minimum of at least 4 items. So I'll click here, and add my 4th item. Once I add my 4th item, I can proceed to checkout. I can also add some add-ons. These bars look fantastic, so I add some add-ons. And then once I'm ready to check out, I check out. I'm presented with different options. In this case, I can pick from any of these 3 pickup locations. If I was within the delivery zone, I would also be presented with a delivery option. However, my address is not within the delivery zone, so I can only pick up. I select my pickup location, I hit next. I'm brought to a final confirmation screen, and on this confirmation screen, if this is my first time ordering from Fit Kitchen Direct, I will enter in payment info. In this case, there is some stored payment info since I am an old customer. But we have our payment info on file here, so we just hit pay, and then we're all set to go. And that is how you order for the first time from Fit Kitchen Direct.